Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete repost on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the share icon. And firstly, I'm going to show you how to repost. So you can see that I reposted a video. Then you need to click on the share icon again, and here you can see the option of remove repost. Click on that option. So you can see that your repost has been removed. But if you repost video 3 or 4 days ago, so how you can delete that repost video? You simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on watch history, and here you can find all of the videos. You can see that this is the videos that I watched, and I recently repost that videos also. So you are going into the watch history and remove that video from repost. So this is the process by which you can delete any repost video on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.